Good morning. We're still by the Grand Canyon. It's a little town that's I forgot what it's called, by the Grand Canyon. So we're just getting out of the room. We're gonna go get some breakfast, but on our way out, check this out. The king.
So many things of Elvis.
You like Elvis, baby? Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
An Elvis pen. I want one.
For some reason, she really likes Elvis. This is not the first time she tells me something about Elvis. Look, Mariela, Elvis is dancing. It's the clock.
Walking through a party in the county jail. The prison band was there.
I'm in heaven. Heaven. Look at this stuff.
You know where we are, Daddy?
Now that's quite a collection they have there.
You know where we are? We're in heaven. Then. Then.
6.99 right there.
Is that expensive?
$6.99 right here.
$6.99.
Hey. See. Another piece of museum here at what is it called? Grand Canyon Inn, where we stayed. It's actually pretty cool.
You're shaking.
Because you're heavy. Well, enough with the early morning adventure here. We already had breakfast, bought some souvenirs and stuff, and this place was just awesome. Just awesome. I loved it. I wish I had more money. I would have bought a lot more stuff. And besides, I don't have room in the car anyways to put it all in there. But anyway, so now we're gonna continue with the trip. Our next stop is gonna be Hoover Dam, if we don't have to stop in the restroom and stuff, but more than likely we will. So we are starting the second adventure of the week, right? First it was the Grand Canyon, and now we're at the Hoover Dam, right? Man, girl, let me tell you something. This summer, Marielita here
has gone to Cancun.
She went to Cancun. Now she went to Grand Canyon. And now Hoover Dam. Man, have you had a summer? And then we're gonna go to
San Diego!
San Diego. We're gonna go to Vegas actually after this. She's gonna go to Vegas. I wish I would have gone to Vegas when I was a kid.
Have you?
No. So she's gonna go to Vegas, and then after that, straight to San Diego. From San Diego.
Then I'm gonna see my little cousins and my Tio Island.
And then we're gonna go somewhere, which is a surprise. She doesn't know where we're gonna
Hey, you said the surprise was for me. Oh, is it Legoland?
Nope, it's not Legoland.
We are gonna go.
And it's not the zoo either.
It's Hollywood! Ready?
So we're gonna go to all those places. So Marela, overall, you're having a great summer, aren't you? Yeah.
Yes. But except for this one. I don't like.
Shut up. Whoa. Don't. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of time. Right now everybody's taking a restroom break. I don't need to go, so I'm gonna keep on vlogging. This place is amazing. I've been wanting to do this for years. I recommend it to anybody and everybody, whoever wants to come around. Check it out. I mean, come on, you only live once. You gotta check all this stuff out. And I mean, there's so many things that you can see. I mean, just the road itself takes you to places you've never seen. If you live in a town close by, you obviously know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, and you don't take the time, even if you live in a big city, just take the time for a road trip, man. Everybody usually just flies, boom, you get there, that's it. You don't take the time to get to know the other places around the road. I mean, I loved it. It's amazing. I'm glad I'm here. I finally made it. Bucket list, check. I'm having a lot of fun.
Listen.